We've updated measures in the Aquatics Center to help ensure your health and safety both in and out of the pool. Reservations for the Aquatics Center are now required and can be made using our member portal, Empower Me. Reservations allow for proper physical distancing and prevent overcrowding in the Aquatics Center. For your safety, masks are required while walking on the pool deck. However, masks should be removed prior to entering any of our pools to prevent a drowning incident. We've enhanced our cleaning protocols so you can enjoy a visit to our Aquatics Center with more confidence. Our aquatics staff will be regularly cleaning high-touch surfaces in the Aquatics Center. Thank you for helping us maintain a safe community within our center.